What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that Elon Musk for now owns more shares that he owned previously. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very bottom, and let's continue with the 4 hours time frame in order to see it more properly. And we had this movement to the downside, and I've told you that this range of support should hold in order to remain bullish, in order to have next leg to the upside. And as you can see, we had this bounce to the upside, but we didn't exceed the previous level of resistance that I marked on my previous video. It is the price point of $949.13. And we had another rollover and we broke this range technically exactly the same way that we did it previously. And for now, we are hovering exactly at this range of support. So, for now, it is very confusing to make any assumptions because most likely we might have one more leg to the downside, and we don't have reaction right here, enough reaction to show that we might have a bounce. We have this decent volume with this green candle, but despite of its huge amount, the candle by itself is not so big, and that's why I'm a bit confused about this price action. So, what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the news related to Tesla. And first of all, definitely let me show you the most important news in my opinion that happened right after I made my previous video, and we are on fintel.io, and this website tracks the institutional ownership of certain companies, and we are on Tesla ticker. Right here you can see that on February 15th, Elon Musk added to his position about 2.02% of shares, and for now he owns 231.71 million shares, and he increased his position by almost 4.6 million shares. I have to say it is quite a big increase. And at the same time, on February 14th, we have Susquehanna Securities that reduced its position by 24%. Definitely it is a quite big number, and they sold about 12 million shares, as you can see. And on my previous video I've told you that Vanguard Group and BlackRock increased its position by 8.02 and 5.67% respectively. So overall I have to say that this filing that Elon Musk owns now more shares that he owned previously is very bullish. And on top of that, let me show you that for now institutional investors own about 52.43% of Tesla, and previously 5 days ago they owned only 51.41% of Tesla. And this increase by 1% is very meaningful for the company. And let me show you this chart. Right here you can see that more and more institutional investors owns Tesla stock, and it is a very good fundamental sign that a lot of smart money want to be a part of this major EV manufacturer. So, and let's continue with other news. We don't have major news directly related to Tesla. On February 17th, we have this article, Bullish or Bearish on Tesla? Direction looks to have you covered either way. And this is the company that established 3 ETFs. One of them is Direction Daily Tesla Bear 1X shares, then Direction Daily Tesla Bear 2X shares, and Direction Daily Tesla Bull 2X shares. And definitely it is just another tool how you can invest in this company or bet against these shares. So, another news right here on February 17th, EV shocker, Ford Mustang Mach-E tops Tesla's Model 3 at Consumer Reports. And it is quite interesting that for several reasons, Mach-E from Ford overtook the Tesla in certain parameters, and I have to say that it is very subjective, but all in all, we have this report, and definitely it is not the best report for Tesla, but I have to say that more likely you should take a look on the numbers of sales. And Tesla just sold almost 1 million vehicles in 2021. And how much did Ford sell in general? I think it is nothing close to 1 million, definitely. So, and the main news that might drive the entire markets either way is definitely the tensions in Russia-Ukraine border, and I have to say that we don't have any reliefs at all, and that's why we have to be cautious, because nobody knows what will happen next, and that's why just be cautious with any of your investments. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that for now we consistently have lower highs and lower lows, because this candle, the latest candle of this breakout below the support range, is lower than we had previously on after hours trading session on February 14th. And definitely it is not the best sign from the technical standpoint, and I have a lot of doubts what is the structure of this movement from a swing low to this basically swing high. And that's why I think this breakdown is irrelevant for now. We cannot have this type of very long consolidation phase as our motive wave or even diagonal. That's why I think this structure is invalidated and we don't need it anymore. So, what should we expect next? For now, we still have two major ranges that we should or should not break in order to remain bullish or bearish, depending on your position. And definitely it is the bottom of our swing low. It is the $795.14 and the top of this range. And we should increase this range and should hold this one in order to remain bullish. And for now, we have to take a closer look on this range, because depending on the next price action, we might consider what will be the medium-term trend. If we will break it to the downside, and if next candle will be opened and closed below this range, definitely we might see lower price action, especially if this candle will be with the massive volume comparable with this one. Otherwise, if we will have a bounce to the upside and the next candle will be opened and closed above the range of $851.71, and if the volume will confirm this candle, definitely next leg will be to the upside. And for now, it is the main point of control from which we should have a next leg, but literally we have about 50% probability to go either way. And that's why we have to take a look on a slightly bigger picture, and we should take a look on this range of resistance and this range of support. So, on a greater scale, as long as this pivot holds, we still have our major targets, and let me show you these targets. If I pull the Fibonacci retrace extension tool from the very bottom of this movement to the very top, and to the bottom of the retracement, our main targets are following. We have the range of about $1,337 as our first target. It is the Fibonacci extension range of 0.786. Next one, roughly $1,500. It is one-to-one extension. And the most aggressive one is $1,916. And these ranges might be hit by the price in next 12 to 18 months. And these targets are in play as long as this pivot holds. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye!